Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create this paddock stand in Solidworks. So this is the good example for beginners. So in this video I will tell you how to use weldments in Solidworks. So we will use pipe weldments in this design. So I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching. So let's see how we create this model and save this file to our destination. So first we go to the file, select new, here we select part, okay, and here we just change the background to plain white. So go to the sketch, select 3D sketch, select top plane and make it normal. Here we create center line, so we create center line from this midpoint, create up to here. Now exit this sketch, again go to the center line, sketch, select this center point, create line up to here, make sure it is horizontal to this center point, select this line and make this gap 210 mm, so make it 210 mm, okay. Now here we select this center point and this point, make it also 210 mm. So overall complete length will be 420. So again we select this line, select this point and this point and make the line up to here. Now exit this sketch, again select this line, make line up to here. Make sure we will create 3D sketch, select this line and this line we will check the dimension 200 mm length, and here we make the fillet 80 mm. So first we go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 200 mm. Select this line, make it also 200 mm, okay. And now here is time to make the fillet of 80 mm. So we make it 80 mm. Here we select this point, okay. So here we apply the fillet to this body. So again we now exit this sketch, so we exit and here we create center line. Select center line, select this center point and make sure it is direction Z direction, okay. Now here we go to a smart dimension, select a smart dimension and here we select this line. This line we will keep 160 mm, so we put this value, okay. Now here we see the drawing, the this height will be 75 mm from this point, so we will create one line upside. So again go to the center line, select this point. So this is not in one direction, so we will press tab key, so it is linear direction, okay. Go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 75 mm, okay. Now here we create this 75 mm, okay. Now again go to the center line, select this center line, select this center point, so this is in linear direction, okay. Again select this center line and select this point, create line up to here. Go to a smart dimension, select this line gap and here we will make it 70 mm. Select this line, this will also we will keep 70 mm, okay. Now here we just create 2 points select these points and keep it this line. Okay, go to the smart dimension, select this center point, and this gap is 110 mm from both sides. So we go to the smart dimension, select this point, and make it 110 mm. Okay, again we select this point, this one. Sorry, this is not point. We will select this point and this point, make it 110 mm. Okay, now here we create line and meet this line to this sketch. So go to the line, select this line, select this point, and make the line up to here. Okay, now exit this sketch, again select this line, select this point, and make the line up to here. And here we will select, so we will create this one. So again we will keep fillet 50 mm. So go to the fillet, here we will select fillet 50 mm, select both point, this one. So here we create this 3D sketch. Now it's time to apply weldment features. So we will make this 3D model. So first we go to the evaluate, right click, here we select tab, and here we select weldments. So weldments pop-up is open. Here we select structural member, select ISO type, we will keep pipe, size will be 26.9 into 3.2. Okay, now it will ask groups, so we will select separately. So select group, select this line, so select. Okay, now again select new group, select this one, select this line, this one. Okay, now here we create 3D model of this piping weldment by help of weldment tools. So hide this sketch. So again we make the cutout for bolting. So select right plane, sketch normal, and here we select circle. So we create circle from this center point. Go to the smart dimension, select this circle 9 diameter. Okay, and here we select this point and this circle center point, the gap will be 32 mm. So go to the smart dimension, select this line, this center point of this circle, make it 32 mm. Okay, and now here we make the extruded cut through all. So go to the extruded cut, make it through all, both direction. Okay, so here we will create this design in Solidworks. So it's time to apply the material. So we will go to the appearance, select metal, here we select aluminum, and now select satin finish aluminum. So it looks super. Go to the appearance, select, double click on it. Now here we can change the color. So we will put this color. Okay, so guys, I hope you will enjoyed our tutorials. Thanks for watching.